What is up, everybody? This is day 63 on the path to $30,000 a month. Thank you so much for joining in. I really appreciate you. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my entire life, and for the past 3.5 years, I have started multiple businesses, and now I want to show you what I do. And if you're interested in being an entrepreneur, this is the place to come and watch the ups and downs in a business. And if you're already doing it, amazing. Thank you for joining. This is just a journey, and I hope you all enjoy it. I wanted to go on here. It's early in the morning. One, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching. And I also want to make an apology for having almost the same video every day. And I know that's kind of what this is all about, but I feel like I could be giving you more. But it's really difficult when I'm also going through kind of this phase where I'm not sure exactly where I want to take this business from here. And I know I talk about what I want to do, but yesterday I came to this realization. I think I need to do something a little different. I'm saying this now and things can change, and I don't want you to put this on me, but I also think that the route that I'm about to tell you could be a game changer for me and maybe for you as well in the business that you want to create or business that you already have. The route that I had a talk with one of my good friends, and she made me realize something that could be really, really massive. So I'm a decal business. It's an advertising business, right? For businesses. So I can create logos and phone numbers for whatever. So let me explain to you what my idea is here. So yesterday, like I told you, in day 62, I got a cold email software. It also comes with leads, and I can also scrape leads for free. I have a software for that. So if you want that, let me know. Comment down below and I'll send you the link. But I came to this realization, I could be doing a lot less input and get a lot more output if I just focus on the right areas. I realized, let's just do an example here. My decal business, okay? This is just an example, but if this can work, this would be game changing for me. So let's say I contact a semi fleet company for concrete, and they're a national, they're all over the US, and they accept an offer of putting their logo on the side of their semi truck, and they have 30,000 semi trucks, and they decide, you know what, let's start with, let's just say they decide to do the whole $30,000, the whole 30,000 fleet. That would be a game-changing amount of money that I could create. And on top of that, I'm almost been just making this work automatically because I'm working with a supplier in China that's going to make my decals. Now, what if I said, all right, it's going to take about this amount of time. This is the amount of money it's going to cost you. I go to my suppliers in China. I go, hey, listen, I'm going to need you guys to make 30,000 of these decals. Cool, done. They ship them to me. I ship it to them. I made money. The supplier made money. And now the customer is happy, the client's happy. Rather than doing one-offs on Amazon and them holding all my money and all the fees and all the advertising spend that I make to make that money, I could do it without advertising fees, and it would be a lot more fluid, and it's all in one big cash. This is the route that I think I'm going to start taking. So this has been 4 minutes of an intro, and I apologize, but this is something that was super important to me to get off my chest and say I'm sorry that my videos have been kind of the same, but that is how my life has been. I'm showing you what my life has been like. And, I'm going to start traveling a little bit more soon, and I'm going to take you all with me, and it's not going to be the videos like you see every single day. I'm going to be doing different things. Maybe it's not a lot of business, but I'm going to at least be enjoying my life a little bit, and it's my life. It's just a day in the life. And so let me know what you guys think about that business opportunity, because I think that would be massive. And I think that would get me from like the 20,000 mark where I'm at now to, I don't even know. I think it's probably past 30K a month. So let me know what you think. Let's get today started. I'm just amped on this idea. But today's going to be kind of like every single other day, other than a little bit more back end work. But we're going to make this video kind of short now because it's been 5 minutes of an intro. But I love you all so much. So thank you so much for watching. Seriously. Let's get started. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so right now I'm actually gonna head to Pete's Coffee, get some work done. It's a lot of back end work. I'm not gonna film that much because there's nothing to really see. And I'm not gonna put a tripod in front of everybody on a busy Sunday. So people are probably asking like, dude, why is this guy driving this nice car? It's my mom's, okay? I don't get anything from my parents so far. They let me drive it, so I'm very thankful. It gives me some motivation. Gonna go get some coffee, gonna go hang out in a new environment, fresh mindset, gonna get some work done. I'll let you know what I get done. streets right now. I kind of came up with this conclusion. There's a few things that I'm gonna get into. So semi-trucks have registration, and so US DOT numbers need to be on the side of the vehicles in multiple places. So I'm thinking about emailing semi-truck fleets and seeing if they need any US DOT decal numbers, because they're going to need some they're going to peel away, they're going to get damaged. So there's like millions of these semi-trucks on the road. And if I can tap into that market, that could be pretty big. So that's one of them. And then maybe boat registration numbers too. So I'm just like now expanding on this idea of like, I can just work with companies that have multiple semi-trucks or boats or whatever. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if that's a good idea. And if you have any other ideas with decals, and also just getting into this bigger side of business to business, really, B2B, just let me know in the comments below. Yeah, we're at $14,000. I still can't pull that money out. I'm just appalled. Guys, so I'm gonna try this out, and if you own a company, I would recommend trying this as well. So this is Keyword Planner on Google Ads. And so I typed in US DOT truck numbers on keyword ideas, and it came up with 10 to 100 searches a month for low competition for US DOT requirements for trucks. So on ChatGPT, I created a prompt and I said, hello, can you create an article blog for this topic, US DOT requirements for trucks? I'm also going to add my products on this blog. It is US DOT number vinyl decals. Add it in naturally. And so I created a blog for the title of keyword idea here for the US DOT requirements for trucks. So when they search that, possibly my blog article can come up, understanding US DOT requirements for trucks. So it goes over all the requirements, and at the very end, enhance your compliance with quality vinyl decals at Quality Prints USA, which is my company, the benefits, my conclusion, and then also they can place an order via my website. And in doing this, it's a low competition article, and whoever's looking this up for their semi-truck business that they're creating, my article should pop up because it's a low competition, hopefully, and I will get the top search rank, and my product will also be in that on my website. They will be clicking onto my website when they get this blog. So just an idea. I'm not sure if it's gonna work well, but I just thought of this and I was thinking maybe some of you guys could use this for your company as well. Guys, like I said, today was a lot of back end work. There wasn't a lot for me to do. There wasn't a lot of orders. Tomorrow there are a few, and like I said in my yesterday's video, I have a large order to do tomorrow. So if you wanna come go check that out, it'll be tomorrow. This is the end of the video, so let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so on eBay, we made $121.49, which was one of our biggest days in a long time. We made $668 yesterday, which was also another big day for Amazon. And so a total of $790, which is up our alley to $1,000, which we need to make every single day to make $30,000 a month. So we're at $1,287 right now. Not bad, it's a good start. I'm not complaining. We need to be at 2, it's fine. But we got some big things that we're working on here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. And also, if you could give it a thumbs up, it helps the YouTube algorithm, helps me out, and helps other entrepreneurs find my channel so it can help them as well. So I'll see you all tomorrow for day 64. Have a great rest of your Sunday.